Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. When you're ready, start by taking a deep breath in through your nose, expanding your lungs fully, and slowly exhale through your mouth, letting go of any tension or tightness in your body. Take another deep breath in and exhale, releasing any heaviness or stress you may be holding on to. With each breath, allow yourself to relax more deeply, letting your body feel supported and at ease. Now let your breath return to its natural, steady rhythm. As you continue to breathe gently, take a moment to set an intention for your healing. You may wish to focus on a specific area of your body, or simply set a general intention for overall health and well-being. Silently repeat your intention to yourself. For example, I am open to the healing power within me. Or, my body is strong, healthy, and whole. Let this intention guide you throughout this meditation. Now, imagine a soft, warm light beginning to glow at the crown of your head. This light is filled with healing energy, calmness, and restoration. As you breathe in, imagine this light gently flowing down through the top of your head, soothing and healing every part of your body it touches. Feel this light travel slowly down through your forehead, relaxing your brow, down past your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. Allow any tension in your face to melt away. Feel the healing energy continue to flow down through your neck and shoulders, releasing any stiffness or pain. Your body is softening, opening to the healing process. Now, allow this healing light to flow down through your chest, spreading warmth and comfort through your heart. Imagine the light filling your lungs, helping you breathe easily and fully, nurturing your body with each breath. Let the healing energy move down into your arms, relaxing your hands and fingers. Feel your chest, stomach, and abdomen softening as the light continues to travel through your body. As this light reaches your lower back, hips, and legs, notice how any tightness or discomfort gently dissolves. Finally, feel this healing energy reach your feet, grounding you to the earth connecting you with the powerful, natural healing energy all around you. Your entire body is now bathed in this warm, soothing light, a light that is filled with health, balance, and rejuvenation. Take a moment to notice how you feel now that your body is filled with healing light. Trust that your body knows exactly how to heal itself. Every cell is alive with energy, doing its part to restore balance and well-being. As you breathe, silently repeat to yourself, I am healing. My body is strong and resilient. Allow your mind to rest in the knowledge that healing is always happening, even when you cannot see or feel it. Now, if there is any part of your body or mind that needs extra attention, focus the healing light there. Imagine this area receiving an extra dose of warmth, comfort, and care. With each breath, send healing energy to this part of yourself, knowing that your intention is powerful. Feel the light work to release tension, discomfort, or imbalance, replacing it with health and harmony. As we begin to close this meditation, take a moment to feel deep gratitude for your body and its ability to heal. Even if the process is slow, every step brings you closer to health and well-being. Silently repeat, I am grateful for my body. I trust in my body's healing process. Feel this gratitude expand in your heart, sending waves of healing energy throughout your entire being. Now take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, release any last bits of tension or worry. Begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel your body supported by the ground or chair beneath you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, gently bringing movement back into your body. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying with you a sense of deep peace, healing, and strength, knowing that you are continually healing and that you can return to this feeling of calm and balance whenever you need. Remember, your body is always working to support your health and well-being. You are strong, resilient, and whole. Namaste.